Welcome to the incredible world of elephants, where life unfolds in remarkable stages, each more captivating than the last. Join us on a journey through the life cycle of these magnificent creatures, from the tender moments of birth to the wisdom of old age. So this amazing creation of nature is the largest animal living on land in the world. They can be divided into two main groups: African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants are larger in size than Asian elephants, and their ears are also larger. African elephants can be found in 37 countries on the African continent. Asian elephants can be seen in 13 countries in Asia. Asian elephants are smaller in body size than African elephants, and their pairs of ears appear to be smaller than African elephants. These external physical characteristics can be clearly distinguished. In addition, a good introduction can be obtained about them through biological and geographical background. Now let's talk about the life cycle of this wonderful animal. Elephants have one of the longest gestation periods of any mammal, lasting approximately 22 months. When a calf is born, it enters the world weighing around 200 pounds 90 kilograms. Birth usually occurs within the safety of the elephant herd, where the mother is surrounded by female relatives who provide support and protection. The calf relies heavily on its mother's milk for nourishment in the early stages of life. Elephant calves are cared for primarily by their mothers, although other female members of the herd also play a role in their upbringing. The mother is highly attentive to her calf's needs, providing milk for nourishment and protection from potential threats. Calves are born with the ability to stand shortly after birth, but they are still wobbly and dependent on their mothers for support. In the first few hours and days of life, they gradually gain strength and coordination, eventually becoming more proficient at walking. The trunk, a unique and versatile appendage, is a source of fascination for elephant calves. Initially, they may struggle to control its movements, but with time, they learn to use it for grasping objects, exploring their surroundings, and communicating with other elephants. Infancy is a time of socialization for elephant calves. They spend much of their time interacting with other members of the herd, particularly their mothers and other calves. Through these interactions, they learn important social cues, communication signals, and hierarchical structures within the herd. Human infants, elephant calves engage in playful behavior to learn about their environment and develop essential skills. They may engage in games such as running, chasing, wrestling, and splashing in water holes. These playful activities also serve to strengthen bonds within the herd and provide mental stimulation. Calves remain dependent on their mothers for milk, protection, and guidance. The mother's presence provides a sense of security for the calf, allowing it to explore and learn about its surroundings with confidence. Overall, the infancy stage is a crucial period of development for elephant calves, laying the foundation for their physical, social, and cognitive abilities as they continue to grow and mature within the herd. Juvenile elephants begin to assert more independence from their mothers during this stage. While still remaining close to their family group, they may explore their surroundings more freely and engage in activities on their own. Juvenile elephants start to supplement their diet of milk with solid foods, such as grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. They observe older herd members and learn how to forage and select appropriate food sources. Social learning becomes increasingly important during the juvenile stage. Young elephants observe and mimic the behaviors of older herd members, learning essential skills such as communication, foraging techniques, and social interactions. Juvenile elephants often form peer groups within the herd, consisting of individuals around the same age. These groups provide opportunities for play, exploration, and learning. Playful interactions help juveniles develop physical coordination, social bonds, and problem-solving skills. Although still young, juvenile elephants may begin to play minor roles in herd dynamics. They may assist in caring for younger siblings or relatives under the supervision of adult females. These experiences help prepare them for their future roles as caregivers within the herd. As juveniles interact with other members of the herd, They learn about the social hierarchy and their place within it. They observe dominance displays, submission cues, and other social behaviors that govern interactions within the group. Physically, juvenile elephants continue to grow and develop rapidly during this stage. They gain strength, coordination, and size, gradually maturing into adulthood. Overall, the juvenile stage is a critical period of growth, learning, and social development for elephants. It sets the stage for their transition into adolescence, where they will further refine their skills and assume greater responsibilities within the herd. As elephants reach adolescence, typically around 10 to 12 years of age for females and slightly later for males, they experience hormonal changes that influence their behavior and physiology. These changes are particularly pronounced in male elephants, known as bulls, who may become more assertive and competitive as they vie for dominance and mating opportunities within the herd. Adolescence is a period of social upheaval within elephant herds, especially among male individuals. Young males may start to challenge older bulls for dominance and mating rights, leading to conflicts and displays of aggression. This process helps establish the hierarchical structure within the herd and prepares young males for their future roles as leaders and breeders. Adolescent elephants continue to explore their surroundings and assert their independence from their mothers and other adult females. They may roam farther from the herd, seeking out new sources of food and water, and forming alliances with other young bulls or joining bachelor groups. Adolescent males begin to exhibit mating behaviors, such as heightened interest in females, vocalizations, and courtship displays. While they may not yet be sexually mature, they start to practice these behaviors in preparation for adulthood. Adolescent elephants play important roles in maintaining herd cohesion and contributing to group activities. They may assist in defending the herd from predators, caring for younger siblings or relatives, and participating in social interactions and decision-making processes. Despite their increasing independence, adolescent elephants continue to learn from older, more experienced herd members. They observe and mimic social behaviors, foraging techniques, and communication signals, honing their skills for survival and social success. The adolescent stage serves as a crucial period of preparation for adulthood. Elephants refine their social skills, establish their place within the herd hierarchy, and develop the physical and behavioral traits necessary for mating and reproductive success in the future. Overall, adolescence is a dynamic and transformative phase in the life of an elephant, shaping their identity, social relationships, and roles within the herd as they prepare to transition into adulthood. By the age of 20, elephants reach adulthood and assume more defined roles within the herd. Female elephants or cows typically stay with their natal herd for life, forming strong bonds with their relatives and participating in the care of younger calves. Male elephants or bulls may either live solitary lives or form temporary alliances with other males until they are ready to compete for mating opportunities. In their later years, elephants experience a decline in physical abilities and reproductive activity. They rely on the support of their social group for care and protection, with younger members assisting elderly individuals with tasks such as foraging and navigation. Despite their advancing age, elephants maintain their importance within the herd, contributing to its cohesion and stability through their wisdom and experience.
So, we end the video here. I hope you have learned something important about this wonderful animal. See you in another important video. Keep watching videos like this to know more about the world and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.